Hello, this is a tutorial on how to firstly install the data analysis pack for Microsoft Excel, and then secondly how to generate descriptive statistics for use in calculating t-values, etc. for statistical analysis. So in Microsoft Excel, here I have a worksheet that is loaded onto Moodle that you can download and use to play with. But essentially you open up Excel and you go to File. So here we have File, you go all the way down the left to Options. Up comes a dialog box and we want to go to Add-ins. So here we have Add-ins. And you can see here there's the Analysis Tool Pack right at the top, should be there. And then we go down to Manage and select Go. Up here is a bunch of add-ins you can put in. So right now we're going to select the Analysis Tool Pack, select OK. And it's done. Once the little hourglass goes away, hopefully. So now what you can do is you can select Data. Great. Excel, there we go. If we select Data, and you can see now all the way to the right is Data Analysis. Yay! We can now analyze data. So here we go. We have an example. Tomatoes. Will it yield as much as we need? 30 bushels. That's what we need it to yield. We have samples from 9 plots. So what we're going to do is we're going to analyze the results, the yields from those 9 plots. So you generate a null hypothesis. In statistics speak, that's what it is. But in English, it's the new tomato variety yield will not be different from 30 bushels. Right? Our sample mean will be equal to our population mean, and that is the 30 that we're designating. Significancy level, 0.05. Why 0.05? It's pretty much a standard level of significance. It's 95% certain that what we see represents what's going on in the real world. We could go as high as 99%, 0.01, or even 99.9%, 0.001. But typically the standard is 0.05. So how do we generate those descriptive statistics? Well, we could go and manually calculate mean, variance, standard error, standard deviation, yada yada yada. Instead, what you do is you click on Data Analysis. Yay! And up comes a dialog box. And you'll see that we can do all kinds of analyses. But we're going to do descriptive statistics. And you press OK. Now, we have to find out where are the data. So where are the data? You click on that little box, you highlight all the data, including the top row, because that has our label. This gives us an idea of exactly what we're analyzing. So you go back and you go, you see how it's populated it there? Click on that, and you go, oh, guess what? I have a label in that first row, so I make sure I click that because that's where that yield label is. Now, where do I want my output to go? Well, I don't want a new worksheet. I want it on this sheet. That's what I want to do. So I choose an output range. And it's really simple. You just click a box, and that's where it's going to populate all your output. Yay! So now, what do I want to generate? Well, I want the summary statistics. And heck, I might as well get the confidence level for the means as well. And I could even set what level of confidence I want. 99%, 95%, whatever. So, click OK. Ta-da! It's all done for you. And I'm just going to open up this box a little bit so that we can see all the words. So it calculates the mean, calculates the standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, a bunch of other stuff that we don't really need. But it does give you sample size of 9. Do we have 9? Yes, we have 9. And it even gives us our confidence level. So these are your descriptive statistics. And the next tutorial, I'll show you how to use those descriptive statistics to calculate your t-statistic when you're doing independent or sample, single sample, two-tailed, all sorts of t-tests. Thank you.